Converting a wall clock to be rechargeable can be a bit more complicated than converting a battery-powered device like a wireless mouse. However, it is possible with some basic electronics knowledge and tools. Here are some general steps. 1. Remove the clock's battery compartment. Open up the back of the clock and remove the battery compartment. 2. Determine the voltage and current requirements. Check the clock's user manual or the label on the clock's movement to determine the voltage and current requirements. 3. Select a rechargeable battery and charger. Choose a rechargeable battery and charger that is compatible with the voltage and current requirements of the clock. You may need to consult with an electronics expert or use a multimeter to measure the voltage and current. 4. Connect the battery and charger. Connect the rechargeable battery and charger to the clock's movement. This will likely involve soldering wires to the battery contacts and the movement contacts. 5. Mount the battery and charger. Mount the battery and charger inside the clock's case using adhesive or screws to secure them in place. 6. Test the clock. Reassemble the clock and test it to make sure it is working properly. It's important to note that modifying a wall clock in this way can be risky and may void the clock's warranty. If you're not comfortable with electronics or soldering, it's best to purchase a rechargeable clock or seek assistance from a professional.
How to make our wall clock rechargeable. Yan ang topic natin ngayong araw. Kung meron na kayong wall clock sa bahay, malamang sa malamang gumagamit ng AA na battery. Kung hindi naman, ay yan ay AAA battery. Nagpapalit tayo ng battery kung ito ay lobat na. Minsan ay wala pa tayong batteries sa bahay, kaya kailangan pa nating magpabili ng battery. Minsan wala tayong stock na battery sa bahay, kaya minsan ay pupunta pa tayo ng palengke para lang bumili ng battery. Good news! Dahil hindi mo na kailangan magpalit ng battery para sa iyong wall clock. Dahil sa tip na ito ay makakatipid ka sa baterya ng iyong wall clock. Ang tawag sa battery na pwedeng gamitin ulit ay mga rechargeable batteries. Maaari kang bumili ng AA na rechargeable battery o kaya AAA na rechargeable batteries online. Pwede ka ring bumili nito sa mga suki mong tindahan. Tandaan lang na ang mga rechargeable batteries ay may nakasulat na pwede itong i-charge sa kanyang pakete. Kung wala pa kayong rechargeable batteries, ay maaari naman kayong bumili online or sa suki niyong tindahan. Huwag niyo lang i-charge yung mga hindi naman rechargeable na batteries dahil maaari itong magdulot ng injury dahil ito ay maaaring pumutok. Make sure lang na ang mabibili nyong rechargeable batteries ay compatible sa inyong wall clock. Yan. So, maaari nyong silipin ang klase ng baterya na gamit ng inyong relo. Yan. Yung sa akin ay AA. Palitan nyo lang itong battery ng rechargeable. So, pag ubos na yung laman ng rechargeable batteries ay pwede nyo na ulit itong i-recharge. So here's another tip. If you want to upgrade your wall clock, so pwede naman kayong bumili ng mga wall clock which is the hour hand and the minute hand. So wala siya yung second. At least mas makakatipid kayo sa battery charge. Yung hour hand lang at saka yung minute hand lang yung meron. Since hindi siya ikot ng ikot, maaksaya kasi sa battery kung maraming motion yung arm ng inyong wall clock. I hope this video helps you for your home improvement needs. See you again next time. Bye.